Myself, Khushi Bandapatte from CSC Department's SSW COE. Today's topic is SR flip-flop. So what is SR flip-flop? It is a flip-flop with two inputs and one is S and the other is R. S here stands for set and R here stands for reset. Set basically indicates set the flip-flop, which means output 1, and reset indicates resetting the flip-flop, which means output 0. Here, a clock pulse is supplied to operator this flip-flop, hence it is clocked flip-flop. We can construct SR flip-flop with two ways. One is with two NOR gates and plus two AND gates, and the other is with four NAND gates. As you can see, the image is using the four NAND gates. This is a circuit diagram of SR flip-flop. Basic block diagram of SR flip-flop. The basic block diagram contains S and R inputs, and between them is clock pulse Q and Q dash is a complemented output. The working of SR flip-flop is case 1. Let's say S is equal to 0 and R is equal to 0. Then output of both AND gate will be 0 and the value of Q and Q dash will be same as their previous values. Case 2, let's say S is equal to 0 and R is equal to 1. Then output of both AND gates will be 1 and 0. Correspondingly, the value of Q will be 0 as one of input is 1 and it is a NOR gate. So it will ultimately give you 0. Hence, Q gets 0 value. Similarly, Q bar will be 1. Case 3, let's say S1 is equal to 1 S and R is equal to 0, then output of both AND gates will be 0 and 1 correspondingly. The value of Q bar will be 0 as one of input or NOR gate is 1. So output will be 0 ultimately, and this 0 value will go as an input to upper NOR gate, and hence Q will become 1. Case 4, let's say S is equal to 1 and R is equal to 1. Then output of both AND gates will be 1 and 1 which is invalid, as the output should be complement of each other. The truth table of SR flip-flop is given below. Here, S is a set input, R is a reset input. Qn plus 1 is next state, and state tells in which state it enters. Application of SR flip-flop is there are numerous applications of SR flip-flop in digital system which are listed below. Register SR flip-flop used to create register designer and create any size of register by combining the SR flip-flop. Counters. SR flip-flop uses the counters, counts the number of events that occurs in digital system. Memory. SR flip-flop used to create a memory which are used to store data when the power is turned off. Synchronization system. The SR flip-flop used in synchronized system which are used to synchronize the operations of different components. Thank you.